guys, today I'll be reviewing the GAN SM. This cube came out in September of 2017, and it is one of the best cubes. It comes with a GS nuts and is available in black, white, and primary. It is 56mm and has the honeycomb design. It comes at a pretty hefty price of $49. The cube comes with a bag and a pretty sturdy case and all of the CFOP algorithms. It has a really good feel, and corner cutting is existent but is really hard due to my really tight tensions. The feel is really stable and really buttery.